Hello guys and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you the Google Play for iOS. As you can see, I've got the app installed on my iPhone, on my iOS device, but it is also working for any iPads. So this is the easiest way to download the Google Play games or apps for iOS. So right now I will open the Google Play for iOS to show you that it is really working. So as you can see, this is the Google Play for iOS. I've got the App Store, the Google Play Store for my iPhone installed, and it is working pretty good. I can download any of those apps or games which mostly are only for the Android devices, but now with the Google Play for iOS I can download it for my iPhone or for my iPad. So how to download this Google Play for iOS? You can use this website, as you can see right here on the watermark, and you will find there Google Play for iOS, and this is the easiest way to play Android games and download the Android apps for the iOS devices. So I think that will be all for this video. If you have any questions about the Google Play for iOS, write in the comment section. I will try to help you if I can. You can watch also the tutorial video of how to download the apps from the top app live. But if you still have any troubles, write in the comment below and I will try to help you with the Google Play for iOS. So that will be all for this video. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the Google Play for iOS. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and bye.